What is up? It's your boy Brayden, and this is another vlogging video. Guys, if you didn't know, last night we got like a natural disaster. So, last night and tonight, natural disaster in PA. So we were in a massive thunderstorms. Like 5 minutes ago, we had flash flood warning. Don't worry, it's not really flash flood. It's like 2 inches coming up. It is bad. I'm at a firehouse right now. Did you guys hear that? The fire department's going to a call. We got Pizza Hut. Detail Hut. I'm just kidding. It's totally Pizza Hut. So, as you guys can see, we are filming in the firehouse because, like, this is the safest place to be in town. Well, we had a big storm going on around the county. As I told you earlier, we got a flash flood warning. It's horrible down here. We're supposed to get 2 rounds tonight. I can't show you guys the firehouse, so if you guys like this little short video, I know this can probably be short, but hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.